Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we are going to see a very interesting video, that is how to scan in an Android phone. Well, I have OnePlus 7 in my hand. In this phone I'll be scanning this page. I'll be using an app called Adobe Scan, a very useful app for scanning videos. Well, right now we don't have camscanner because of many policies, so this is one of the best apps now available for scanning documents. So without wasting any time, let us go and see how to scan documents using, well, in my Android phone, the app called Adobe Scan. So for that you have to download this Adobe Scan here. Well, I have already downloaded it, so you can go to Play Store and download this app. So once you come here, you can see many options would come, like whiteboard, form, document, business card, etc, etc. So I'll go for document for now. For this video you can explore yourself what other things or what other features mean. So the thing is, it is automatically taking. If I just hover this phone around this document, it is automatically taking. So I'll go for retake. I hope you can see. It's automatically like identifying the document and taking a picture. So if you're not happy, once again you can take a retake. Just show you how. Okay, so it has taken somehow a little bit here, not so straight, a bend like of photo. So here you can also like arrange, drag this corner and go for a somewhat rectangular picture as much as you can, and I press continue here. So once I do that, you can see it is going for next document. So I want to work on this. Okay, so once I click here, I have gone to this already the document. What I do, I'm not so happy with this document. I'll again cross it, discard. I'll go again for new document, visibility. Yeah, so it has taken somewhat a good picture here. I think no more need to retake an image or adjust the corners. If still you want finer adjustment, you can do it here. So I'll go press continue. So once I do, it has come here. So here what you can do, you can just click here and see if anything else you want to do in this image. For example, reorder. Well, I have only one document, so no need for reordering. I can crop here. So as I've shown you, auto detect, rotate, no crop. If you want, you can like move this bars and crop here. And I don't want to do anything. I'll just press cross here. Okay, changes you made with crop tool will be discarded. Okay, no problem. Then I will go to other feature called rotate. You can even rotate the image as you like. I'll just keep it as it is because it was already in this straight form. I'll go for colors. You can choose colors as well, like original colors. It's not so bright. Auto color is very bright. You can go for grayscale, that is black and white, and whiteboard kind of feature option. So here you see, I just choose auto color here. Yeah, there's another feature called cleanup. So in cleanup, it acts like an eraser. You can either fill with surrounding color or fill with selected color. So for example, the surrounding color, I just want to erase this 10 numbers. So I can just put over this or drag my hand over here and it's get deleted. If you don't want to delete, you can just press this undo button as much times as you have done the work here. Then I'll just cross it. Okay, for now. Then after cleanup, you can go for resizing and delete. For resize, you can resize the image according to your page size. For most of us, it will be like A4 portrait. I'll just go for A4 portrait or A4 landscape, whatever you want. So for A4 portrait, you have to choose this and press tick. So this file will be saved as PDF here. I can save this file as PDF. Once I do that, you can share this file as well. Share a copy. So you can mail it So for example, I just want to mail it to myself. This is how you can share this file to your mail ID, to your friends, or you can press more and copy to device, or it will get downloaded. This file will get downloaded to your device. Save. You can change your name and save. So this is how you can scan a document in PDF. If you want to take more images, continuous images, so go on scanning, continue, then again you can take another picture here, and you can continue. Then when I click here, you can reorder. Since I've taken 2 pictures here, like I'll press and hold it for some time, you can drag it here. I can make this as the first page and this the second. So this is how you work in Adobe Scan. And for learning more about this app, it's better to operate it yourself and explore out all the features, learn all the available features and options given in this app. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope this was a very useful app for scanning your documents, papers, etc., and sending it to your friends or copying it to your device or laptop, wherever you want. And use this whenever you feel like scanning images conveniently, easily, and in a very simple manner. So friends, I hope this video was useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video and please share this across various platforms so that many people come to know of this very important app for scanning documents. And friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so to get more of such little technical, very useful technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, see you again, see you soon. Keep watching infotainment. Thank you.